Let's talk about the recently launched ITEL smartphone P55 5G. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.6-inch HD plus waterdrop notch display, with resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with approximately 267 ppi pixel density, and with 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera, along with 0.08 megapixel camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system based on exclusive optimized version of ITEL OS 13 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core, 2.4 GHz dual core Cortex A76, plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6080 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone with two different storage variants. The first variant plugs with 4 GB of RAM, with 4 GB extended RAM through memory fusion technology, and 64 GB of onboard storage. The second variant plugs with 6 GB of RAM, with 6 GB extended RAM through memory fusion technology, and 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 8.45 mm thickness, and it weighs around 184 grams, and the color options Galaxy Blue, Mint Green, colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with AI Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5 mm audio jack, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The ITEL P55 5G has been expected price in Pakistan for 4 GB plus 64 GB storage variant at 34,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 37,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this ITEL P55 5G smartphone? Let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.